So this is a dragon fruit we've had for quite a while. I would say almost 2 years now. Little when I first got it, just this big. And yeah, I trained it all the way up here. Pretty crazy. So hopefully soon, maybe it'll start to fruit. It wasn't really tall enough before, but now that it's got up here, it's getting a little bit more sun, so it might have a chance. And yeah, I just put it, they like to be in pots, so I just put it in a raised bed. Got a goji berry next to it. And these raised beds are really good. I built them out of Trex. And yeah, they're just recycled plastic. And you could get them in different colors. If I like edged this was like when I first started building things, but if I edged this, it would have been a little nicer, I think. It's pushed over a bit now too. But yeah, it's nice. It never rots. You know, it's been like, I've had these for like 5 years. In this location, just 2 years, but yeah, I've had these for 5 years. They look pretty good. It's a wet area. These squirrels are taking apart this couch and then leaving remnants of the... I'll deal with that later. Okay, so yeah, where were we? Got a goji berry next to it. Got these nice lilies. And oh yeah, this is a plum tree, I believe. It was starting to flower, but it's starting to get nibbed at by little things, and squirrels are breaking off some branches. But we'll see. Next to it, we got this giant, let's zoom out. Next to it, we got this giant mango tree. Starting to fruit now. I think you could kind of see that. Well. But yeah, we've had this for about 10 years now. This one too we've had for 10 years, and it's probably the first time it's flowered. So hopefully this one fruits this year. It's not the best location for it. Next to it we've got a fig, which is a little crowded out by the mango now. Wow, I think we're gonna get a lot of mangoes this year. Got flowers everywhere. This fig hasn't been producing as much lately. Got some nodes on it right here. Definitely gonna get a couple this season. It's a giant tree. Another look at the mango. You can see it's just full of flowers. Next to it, we got an orange tree. It was dying in a pot and put it in the ground here. It's doing pretty good now. It's starting to flower, produce a little bit of fruit. Really good, really good juicy oranges, but I'm not sure what the variety is. Yeah, and I gravelled and mulched this whole area, so it really holds a lot of water. Next to it, we got a papaya, which it's not gonna be alive. I mean, it's dead. But yeah, it's one of the ones I bought from the store. It's like almost $200 too. But yeah, I think this area, oh my gosh. Jesus, scared the life out of me. Just a dead squirrel right there. But yeah, I think this area was a little too wet for it. Didn't get enough sun also as well. But yeah, my ones from seed are doing great, so that one's okay. Another view of these trees. It's my neighbor's house to the right. This is a lychee I put in 2 years ago. It's a sweetheart variety. It's getting pretty big now. I think it might fruit this year. It's got some flower buds up here. I haven't really trimmed it, so there's a lot of old, oh, let's focus. A lot of old leaves. But yeah, I think I should try trimming this up a little bit. It's looking good though. It's getting bigger. In front, I just got some blueberries. They're doing all right here. They don't really produce much, just a couple berries. Got another blueberry. This variety is called Misty. Southern Highland, 150 chill hours. Definitely got enough chill hours this winter. It's a cold winter in Los Angeles. We're in Los Angeles, by the way, if you're just tuning in. Zone 10B. This is another blueberry. Let's check what variety. A sunshine blue, also 150 chill hours. This one produces a little bit more. I composted mulch this area, so I'm not quite sure why the blueberries are not doing as well here. But if we look over just to the right in the raised bed, it's doing pretty good. Blueberries are producing a lot more. Got some strawberries up here too. The varieties of these are Jewel, Southern Highland, 200 chill hours. So I'm surprised this one's doing better, producing more. Not too much fruit on it this year. I probably need to add some fertilizer. Oh, these ones that are attacked, you just want to pick them off, throw them. This one's producing a bit more. Might just be location. This one is a sunshine blue. This one kind of has the same amount as the one on the right, not too much. But it's still early. It's, they're all probably gonna produce at a little bit different times. This one's probably the earliest producer here. It is